Today I am going to present a poem. The title of the poem is I Swear. The meaning of swear is I take oath or promise. I swear that this time I will stand up, not for what I believe in, but for what I don't. This time I will vote not for but against my own helplessness, against my own laziness, against two words called chalta hai, against shortcuts in queues. Many people are standing in queues, lambi qatar, against cheating in exams, against kharcha pani in offices, against powerless inquiry commissions and powerful vote banks, against religion in politics and politics in religion, against illegal constructions and legal loopholes, against every cynic, every non-believer, against the belief that nothing will change, against the feeling that my vote can't make a difference, against every excuse for not voting. And I will do this without fear or shame, because only by voting against all that is destroying our today will I give my children something to vote for tomorrow. The most important general elections in our history are finally here, and today we should take a quiet oath of its own to stir a nation's conscience into overhauling the caliber of the leaders we elect. So, if you are a straightforward thinking citizen of this country and believe you can make your voice count, join in and vote like everything depends on it, because it does. A very happy Raksha Bandhan festival to one and all. May it bring happiness, prosperity, brotherhood, and peace among all, and each one of us may live in a conducive atmosphere. Thanks and have a good evening.